Welcome to today's video, and thank you for joining us. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most exciting new models from Maranello, the Ferrari Amalfi. Ferrari has always been a symbol of passion, power, and precision, and the Amalfi is no exception. The starting price of the Ferrari Amalfi is expected to be around $250,000, making it one of the more accessible Ferraris compared to other models in the lineup, while still delivering the unmistakable soul of the prancing horse. The Ferrari Amalfi is the brand new coupe that takes over the legacy of the Ferrari Roma. It has been designed to combine elegance with performance, offering a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined. The car features a stunning exterior design with flowing lines, sculpted aerodynamics, and an active rear spoiler that adjusts to deliver maximum downforce when you need it most. The Amalfi's look is a perfect mix of classic Ferrari DNA with a modern edge that makes it stand out on any road. Under the hood, the Ferrari Amalfi is powered by a 3.85-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces around 640 horsepower. This incredible power allows the car to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 3 seconds, with a top speed of over 320 km per hour. It's not just about raw speed, though. The Amalfi also delivers precision handling, advanced suspension systems, and a rear-wheel drive setup that gives the driver full control over every corner. Ferrari has engineered this car to deliver excitement whether you're cruising the coastline or pushing it to the limit on the track. Inside the Ferrari Amalfi, you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with high technology. The cockpit has been designed with both driver and passenger in mind, featuring premium leather, state-of-the-art digital displays, and intuitive controls that keep everything within reach. Ferrari has included their latest infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity, advanced navigation, and a driving interface that feels futuristic yet simple to use. The comfort level in the Amalfi makes it not only a performance machine but also a grand tourer you can enjoy on long drives. What makes the Ferrari Amalfi even more special is the timing of its release. Ferrari is moving towards electrification in the future, and the Amalfi stands as one of the last pure petrol-powered coupes before that transition. This gives it a unique place in Ferrari's history, making it not just a new car but also a symbol of an era coming to an end. For enthusiasts, this means owning an Amalfi is like owning a piece of Ferrari heritage, a bridge between tradition and innovation. The Amalfi is expected to hit the market in early 2026, with deliveries starting in Europe first and expanding to other markets soon after. Given its price, performance, and exclusivity, it's safe to say that the Ferrari Amalfi will be one of the most desirable car. Thanks for watching.